Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss as we head toward the weekend and into the new trading week. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart, and really over the last 1, 2, 3 separate weeks, that's defined by this range right here. Most of the price action has been between the 0.8689 and 0.88193. In trading this week, the price action has been mostly between this area right through here, which is came in between the 0.8742 and 0.881993, maybe a little above that level. As you can see, we've had a few moves above the high end of this swing area here. By the way, this swing area is defined going back to these this low right here, where the price bounced to the upside. We came back down toward that area and then fell below it, and then we returned to it here, and here we moved above it, like I said earlier this week here, and more recently today, where the price moved above the high of that swing area right here, but then reestablished resistance right here, and has moved a little bit more to the downside, currently trading at 0.8815, which is just off of the high of this swing area at 88.119. So anyway, you get the idea. This is a key area right here between the 88.05 and the 88.19. If we're able to get and stay above that level going forward, that would be more bullish. But overall, the price action this week has been fairly well contained. Nevertheless, looking at this 4-hour chart, the buyers are trying to make and take more control, I guess. We are above the 38.2% retracement of the move down from this high to this low. That level comes in at 0.8779. Also near that area, up to 0.8782, are these swing levels right through here, where we just had swing highs, a lot of different swing highs right around that 0.8782 level, and you're really down to the 0.8779 level. In trading this week, we've traded above and below it, admittedly. So it's been more of a choppy session around that level. But being above the 38.2% retracement, being above the 0.8782 level is something to hang a more bullish hat on, if you will. As long as the price can remain above those levels, we have the potential to move higher. Now, as mentioned, however, we do need to get above the 87.19. If we're able to do that, we look toward the 50% retracement of the same move to the downside, and that is near the low of this swing area, going back in time to these swing lows and swing highs outlined in this chart. A bunch of swing lows right here, kind of forming the base that moved to the upside, and then we came down to that level and used that level a little bit as resistance here. So we haven't been back to that level since this week in beginning of July to the midpoint of July, and so getting to the 50% and above this swing area between 88.51 and 88.66 would be the next target to get to and through. If we're able to get above that level in trading going forward, then we could see another retest of the 100-day moving average, which is declining currently at 89.02. Conversely, if the price should move back below the 38.2% retracement, traders will start to look toward the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart and the 200-bar moving average on the same chart at 0.8739 up to 4.49, and moving in different directions. As you can see, getting below those levels would open the door to the downside. Let's just take a quick look at the hourly chart here and see what that is telling us. And you can see a lot of choppy action in trading this week, trading above and below the 100 and 200-hour moving averages. I will say that in trading here today, at least, the price did hold above the 200-hour moving average. It's a green line in this chart, but during the week, we had a number of different times where the price moved below the 200-hour moving average and the 100-hour moving average, and going back to last week as well. It's just a part and parcel with a choppy up and down trading market here. So getting below these two moving averages, here's 38.2, here's that other level at 0.8782. The two moving averages have those swing levels in between them, so getting below the 38.2 and the 200-hour moving average would open the door to the downside. So that's my look at the dollar versus Swiss as we head into the weekend. Good fortune with your trading. My name is Greg. So that is my look at the dollar versus Swiss as we head into the end of the week and into the new trading week. Buyers are trying to take control, but there is lots of choppy action in this currency pair, so be aware, be prepared. My name is Greg Winkowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.